Hi Kimber, this is Christine. I reviewed your video for the Module 5 where we looked at assessment and evaluation. I felt like overall your presentation was really clear and straightforward. I also appreciated that you focused on the student only and not necessarily the distribution of the assessment or the evaluation or the effects of the teacher, which I thought was great. I like that you included how your school directly uses the information that you found. When I'm thinking about this, you reference like an MTSS form of support for students so that when you gather data and you see where students fall, you can offer them courses or opportunities to improve and grow. And I think that's great, especially thinking about what parents want to see come from these assessments. And it's direct actions and responses to the information that you're finding, not just a discussion that's taking place. I think this is something that my school could probably use. If we use it, I don't know about it, which therefore makes me think we don't. So I think that this is something that is really applicable and can provide more guidance for teachers, students, and parents. And I think that's really great. Overall, your focus on the student in the entire presentation was great. I think that that is a consistent theme that you chose, and I think that's wonderful. Great job.